severe thunderstorm
Yep,
warning
that's
for
for me.
Madison County, Delaware County, Northern Henry County, Northern Hamilton County, Southeastern Tipton County until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairmount to near Georgetown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Alexandria.
That one's going away in a few days.
Around 1:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gaston around 1:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Edgewood, Franklin, River Forest, Eaton, Woodlawn Heights, Country Club Heights, Anderson, Chesterfield, Albany, Daleville, Yorktown, Springport, and Ball State University. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 222 and 252. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted,
there isn't.
quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hamilton, Henry, Madison, and Tipton.